Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Wix banner on your Wix website. Let's get started. So this website is actually a free website for me. Now, if you want to remove your banner, you can head over and scroll down in your left sidebar, and in here you can see the settings icon. So click on the settings icon right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see this settings that you have. So in here, just click on website settings. And under the website settings, you should be able to see some more options right here that you can choose from. Now scroll down until you reach this flag icon. So your file icon is currently the Wix logo. This is because it is a free website. Now if you want to change this logo right here on your website, then what you can do is you need to upgrade to a premium plan in order to change it. Once you have upgraded to a premium plan, you should be able to change this pub icon in order to integrate your own website's logo. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!